Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, uh, put a thumbs up please, and if you like to share with anyone, share it, and comments are most welcome. Just a quick look at some items I got from the model centre last week. Thank you for watching. This one I thought was a good set. It's a backyard barbecue. You got two deck chairs there, two people for sitting in the deck chairs. You got a dog that's after his sausage. There's a woman waving saying, "Oi, where's my burger?" And you got a guy there who'll be cooking the burgers. And you got a stove and I think that's utensils, I think. But that'll be good for a scene in somebody's back garden. All the prices will be put on the photographs that I've put with the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I got these Woodland Scenic figures. I've never seen these before, so I thought I'd get them and see what they're like. There's a postman there. He could easily be a British postman. The water hydrant. Well, you can put that on probably a heritage line because they have old stuff like that. There's a few dogs there. The person there as well, saying hi to the postman as he's getting bitten by one of the dogs. And there's a guy trying to drag his dog there. So they'll fit nicely in a scene somewhere. I got another 3 sets of these seated passengers to go on the trains. What I'll use these ones for is for coaches that probably I'll use mainly on this layout. The ones that I'll paint myself will be ones that occasionally are used. I've got some Mark 1 coaches that are the Highland line, so I'll probably be putting them in those coaches. I got 5 bags of these wheelie bins. I'll keep 2 as black. Then what I'll do, I'll paint them up. I'll paint another 10 as green and brown and blue bins, because that's what's used around my area. I've got a fair bit of painting to do. I'll have to probably prime them first to paint them different colours. I got some more plastic figures that are unpainted to get painted up. At least I've got all those paints now that I can use on them. You get 5 little round things full of different people. Different poses. Some sitting. I can remember some of these when I was a child. That one there at the back with the flag. like a guard with a flag. I can remember that actually being painted and on a little round stand that he goes on. But these you don't have to paint superbly well, because if you're fitting them in your coaches, people don't see them anyway, but people see them as people. I can remember that wee guy as well with the spade there, working on the line. I got this Dapple CO38. That's a kit for making up a brake van. So I'll have to get this made up. Going back to my childhood days of making models. In those days it was model aircraft used to make. You never found kits like this for train stuff. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Seems to be everything inside, even metal wheels. I won't bore you too much with these wagons, because I've shown you these in a previous video. This is just the one I was missing. So I got this from Model Centre. I'll put some still pictures up of the wagons.